وعشرة دقايق 10 دقايق صباحا تلت بيس وحويين speaking subtitle pro conversation وحقيقة لابد أن grade 6 وفصل بالحال unit 16 وبيجك لحية طمعات people speech وغادة 91 وبيجك كوبيا سكاشنات وبيجك كوبيا سكاشنات إجابة الكار وconversation وبيجك كوبيا سكاشنات إجابة عن cow إجابة عن cow have met in the market in Gambia. They are talking about their lives. Cow, hello girls, where have you come from? Where have you come from? Girls, hello, cow, I have walked all the way from Calabria. Cow, yeah, that is far. I have never been here. I have never been here. Have you ever traveled by lorry? Girls, no, never. I have, but I have seen my interesting things. How? Like what? Girls, have you ever seen a lion? Have you ever eaten a banana? Cow? No. I have never done those things. I have always stayed in my own shed. My master have fed me on grass and maize. With stalks, girls, I have never lived in a shed. I have wandered around and have been free. And a goat wearing, and a cow. Yes, I have met. I have met. And again met. One bus of meat. And I where meat. Have met. Waxay ku kulmeen in the market in Gambia. Sayidii ama suuqa Gambia. They are talking about waxay ka wada hadlayaan about their lives. Wax ku saabsan noloshooda. Cow, Sayidii, hello. Hello guys. Hey, hello. Where have you come from? Or حكيت حتى في goat, hello cow. I have walked. وحنسوي all the way from Calabria. إلا وضع Calabria. إلا Calabria حنسوي. وضع سلام. أنا صومع. Yeah, cow. Yeah, exclamation. على تعجب ليالس. That is fun. ويفوت يلا حسين. I have never been here. I have never been here. Will you have you ever traveled by lorry? ومجربات صنعاء. Have you ever traveled by lorry? Will you get girls? You know nothing. My will But لكن I have seen many interesting things. What's this will be? وحنا كشيء فرضنا أو حيث cow seems like what? ومحاج عشها. Girls, I have never seen a lion. Girls, have you ever seen a lion? Have you ever eaten a banana? The news. Cow, no, Maya. I have never done those things. I have stayed. I have always stayed. I don't have to in my own shed. My master, have fed me of grass. حوسية عوس and beans torques هي بل هي عوس أيوسية girls كذي لا تريد I have never lived أنا ولي كمان مرانين كذي واحد I have never lived أنا ولي كمان مرانين الشارع حرام I have wandered around أنا اسمعني wandered يا حتى I have wandered around أنا اسمعني يا I have been free أنا خبرنا مش هقول بيها كعبة مش هقول والسلام عليكم شكرا لكم السلام عليكم